In this video we're going to show you how to do a popcorn using 3 stitches into the same stitch, and that is defined in the pattern. So we're gonna do half double crochet for this video today. So we're just gonna come to the second one over just for clarity, and you're going to put in 3 half double crochets into the same stitch. So we have 1, 2 and 3. Then what you have to just do is drop your loop and come to the beginning one of the 3, and then just go in the top of that stitch, push it towards the back, and then grab the loop and pull towards the front. I'll show you that one more time. So let me just do it right here. So 3 half double crochets as normal. So 1, 2 and 3, and then drop it, come to the beginning one of the 3, push to the back, and then grab it. Now if you ever had a stitch where it said WS popcorn, that means the wrong side of the popcorn, is that it's going to be different on the way that you're gonna go through that. So let's just say that we're doing it again. So you're still gonna do your half double crochets as normal, and the difference is the direction of which you're gonna pick up that loop. So if it ever said the wrong side, you're just gonna drop the loop and you're gonna come on the first stitch, but you're gonna come from the back to the front and then pick up the loop and pull back. See the difference of the way it looks, the textures? So it completely changes the look. So this is how you would do then the popcorn for half double crochet using 3 stitches.